welcome back to my channel, or hi, hello if you are new here. First of all, I am so sorry that this video is late and that you guys are now seeing this video on Monday. The schedule will resume back to normal this week, I promise. I kind of had a little bump in the road last week, and I just got around to filming this video tonight, which is Saturday, which is the night that I had planned on having this video up, but things just kind of got a little crazy, and I literally just got around to filming this video today. But today's video is going to be all about my favorite underrated beauty products that I love and that I don't really hear a lot of other people here on YouTube talking about. So I'm just going to talk to you guys about these products that you really don't hear much of and why I like them. So let's just go ahead and get started. The very first thing that I want to talk about is this Maybelline makeup sponge. This is just what it looks like. It's just black, and this thing is so soft. I love this. I got this for $3 at Walmart. It was on sale right before Christmas. They had a sale on a bunch of select Maybelline and CoverGirl products, so I got a bunch of things to try, including this sponge, and I really love it. It's really nice at blending out my foundation, but what really sold me on this is the scooped edge that it has right here. This fits so perfectly underneath my eye to blend out my under eye concealer. I really do like this thing a lot. The regular price of this is like $6 or $7, so this is a bit pricey, but this is a really good sponge. Like I said before, it is very soft. You don't feel like you're beating your face with a rock whenever you're bouncing this into your skin with your foundation. I really do like this, and it doesn't really soak up a lot of product, which I also really love, and it doesn't really look that dirty, so this is a big thumbs up. So this next product that I have to talk about is a staple in my everyday makeup routine, and it is the CoverGirl Ready Set Gorgeous Concealer. I don't really hear a lot of people talking about this concealer, and I really don't know why, because this is an amazing under eye concealer. It's not that great for concealing blemishes, but it is an amazing under eye concealer. I really do like this a lot. It feels very lightweight underneath my eyes. I don't feel like I have a lot of caked up makeup underneath there, which I love. It is a little bit of a lighter coverage concealer as well. It's not extremely full coverage, which I really do like, because my dark circles really aren't that dark. I really don't need to use concealer underneath my eyes, but I just like to, because I just kind of like to brighten up my under eye area just a tiny little bit. So this is a good kind of lightweight, light coverage concealer. If you're looking for one, I definitely recommend trying this one. This next product I have talked about multiple times here on my channel, so I'm not going to talk about it for too long, but this is just the Tartelette Tease eyeshadow palette, and this is literally like one of my favorite eyeshadow palettes ever, and I don't ever really hear a whole lot of people here on YouTube talking about this, nor have I seen a lot of reviews for this palette, but I really do love this a lot. You can get a very super neutral everyday eye look with this palette, or you could definitely jazz it up and make it a little bit more dramatic for the evening time. I really do love this palette. I love that it's pocket sized. I love that you can pretty much just put this in a bag with a couple little brushes and just take it on the go with you and touch up with throughout the day, or add more to your eye later on in the evening time. I really do love this. This will be great for beginners because it's very easy to blend out, and it's not super pigmented. It's pigmented just enough, but you definitely could build this shadows up, and it's not going to look too dark and too crazy. I really do love this palette, and I did a whole review on it a couple of years ago, so I'll have that link down below where you guys can watch it and check it out. This next product, I had no idea how to use this when I first got it. I had to do a little bit of research on it because I had never ever heard of this product, and that would be the e.l.f. Lip Lock Pencil. Now, this was gifted to me about a year ago for Christmas, and I had, like I said, no idea how to use this or what this was for, but this is just an invisible lip liner, and this is just what it looks like. So it goes on clear onto your mouth, and you basically just line around your mouth with this, and then you put your lip color on, and this is going to do exactly what a regular tinted lip liner would do, and it's going to help your lipstick not feather out of your lip line and look all crazy. I'm actually wearing it today, and I love it. It's very good. You can use this with any lip color, and you don't have to worry about matching your lip liner to your lipstick or whatever, because This goes on clear, so it's not going to look all crazy. So I really do love this lip liner a lot. It just kind of twists up and down. And then on the bottom over here, it has a little sharpener, so you can sharpen it and you can kind of keep the little point on it always. So I really do like this little invisible lip liner a lot, and I definitely recommend that you guys check it out. And then last but certainly not least, I have my favorite lip gloss formula ever, and that would be the Victoria's Secret lip glosses. I love these lip glosses, but I hear absolutely nobody else here on YouTube talking about them, and I don't know why, because they're not sticky at all. They're super, super creamy, and they're kind of pigmented, but then some of them are kind of sheer, so there are some duds, but these right here are pigmented, and these are literally like my favorite gloss shades from this line. So let's just go ahead and talk about them and go through them. So first up, we have the shade Flirt, which is just a really pretty hot pink color. I really do love this one in the spring and in the summer. It's so, so pretty, especially when you get a tan. This one is in the shade Eternal Sunshine, and this is just a beautiful peachy pink lip gloss. This looks very subtle and natural on the lips. I really do love this one. And then I have the shade Totally Hot, which is my favorite out of the whole entire line. I have two of these. I have another one back there, a backup of it. And this is just a really pretty soft pink color. I really do like this gloss a lot. And then I have the shade Naked, which is just a really pretty nude lip gloss, which I love. And then the very last one that I have to talk about is just the shade Charmed. And this is just a brown color, but I actually really do like this one a lot. So these retail from anywhere to like $14 to $10, and I really recommend getting the Color Shine glosses. Now, Victoria's Secret has a whole bunch of other lip products. They have metallic lip glosses, which are really cool, and then they have the Color Shine line, and then they have the ones that are like in those old-fashioned like squeezy tubes. I don't really like those. I really like the Color Shine. The Color Shines, like I said before, are not sticky, and they do have a little bit of glitter in them, but they're very finely melted in there that you can't feel it whenever you rub your lips together. They last about 2 hours on my lips, so you will have to bring these along to touch up with, but they're very moisturizing, especially for this time of the year. Like, I have to really layer on the chapstick because my lips get so dry and cracked this time of the year. So these are usually like my go-to for the winter and just the fall and kind of cooler months. So I really do love these lip glosses. Alright, you guys, that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching this, and I hope you really did enjoy this video. Let me know down below what are some of your favorite underrated beauty products and what you guys love. And I would just love to try your products that you recommend, because I love trying new products. So until next time, I'll see you on my next video. Bye guys, thanks for watching.